Never lose track of your students' overdue work again. The app is a real-time saver and so easy to use. Look here. In your teacher dashboard, select overdue work on the left side of the page. Enter in the text field all the work the students have forgotten. Write the subject first, followed by a colon, then the thing that was missed. You can also define shortcuts in the settings of your class. This speeds up the input for repetitive tasks. In this case, simply click on the predefined text box below the text field. When the task is entered, you can select all the students in the list who still have the work open. Click on the names or the check marks. This check mark is enabled by default. It makes it possible that other teachers of this class can see the open task and also mark it as done. If you don't want this, don't forget to uncheck this checkbox. Now it is time to save the open task. Done. Students can now see what the teacher needs from them in their dashboard from home. So can the parents. Of course, only the work that concerns this student. This way, nothing is bound to be forgotten and the work is caught up on the next day. If a student turns in overdue work, then you can mark it as done in the Return tab. Search for the corresponding entry and click on the green check mark. The task will now also disappear from the student's dashboard. To find tasks faster, you can arrange the columns by clicking on a column heading. I click on Name to have all tasks of the same students one after the other. Sometimes it can be useful to print the list. It's a good idea to make returning overdue tasks a ritual. Click on the Show tab and a new tab will open. Show this screen to the whole class using the projector or front screen. Don't forget to go full screen. All students can now see if there is any work open under their name. Those students who are not listed may already leave the classroom. Goodbye. The others stay and give their completed overdue work to the teacher. Because students can check on the front screen, you don't have to call in each work separately. No work is forgotten, handing in is organized and proceeds quickly. With this app, managing and keeping track of overdue work becomes a secondary task. The way it should be, simple and practical. Try it out, for your sake and for the students anyway.